Right there. Next up, we're going to check out the Bullseye rig from Framon Manufacturing. This jig goes onto the door and it will help you install a deadbolt. We're going to install a high-end chrome colored deadbolt. They wanted it mounted about 2 inches down. So we'll start off with our 2 1/8 inch hole saw, and then we will drill the bore through the door there, and then we've got the 1 inch hole saw that will come down the center and drill the cross bore through. This customer specifically requested the drive-in bolt. They wanted to see as little hardware as possible. So they wanted this screw mount tab off, and they wanted the push-in or the press-in bolt added or mounted on there. So we went ahead and did that for them. Here you can see the lab center punch or strike locator that's going to go down in the 1 inch hole, and then you close the door and push it forward a little bit and it lines that center hole up perfect so that you get a very clean, nice alignment when installing your deadbolt. Next, we're going to make sure that the tailpiece is rotated in the clockwise position all the way back or in towards the door, and then put it through the bolt and install the internal thumb turn. Then you can throw the bolt back and forth, make sure that it's working properly, and we are now done with that. We can now drill the hole into the frame side. Most contractors do not drill the hole out to a full 1 inch deep, and I always try and make sure that we do that. We always want to make sure that it gets drilled out nice and deep, and then I'll go ahead and shut the door, make sure that it's aligned correctly. And with that strike locator, it makes it very, very nice. Then we're going to go ahead and mount the strike plate. This one comes with 4 screws, so we're going to use all 4 screws, and you definitely want to pre-drill your screws. You will split wood on these hardwood frames if you do not use that pre-drilling method. There we go, we got all 4 screws mounted. Get the plate chiseled into place and mortised into place so that it's flush with the frame, and you have now successfully completed the installation of this deadbolt using